Ready to satisfy that chicken craving, but wondering if your Chick-fil-A gift card can be your Uber Eats golden ticket? Let's cut right to the chase. Unfortunately, you cannot directly use a Chick-fil-A gift card to pay for Uber Eats orders. Uber Eats payment system doesn't have a direct integration for Chick-fil-A gift cards. But don't lose hope just yet. There's a clever workaround. The most popular method is to use your Chick-fil-A gift card in person at a Chick-fil-A restaurant. Use the gift card to purchase your meal directly from Chick-fil-A, then either head home or to your desired location and enjoy your favorite Chick-fil-A meal courtesy of the gift card. Sure, it requires a little extra effort compared to ordering directly through Uber Eats. Consider loading your gift card balance to your mobile wallet for easier in-person transaction. For future Uber Eats orders, consider loading up your Uber Cash, which can be done via other gift cards that Uber Eats does accept. So, while a straight-up gift card option isn't available, a little planning ensures your Chick-fil-A cravings are satisfied one way or another. For more tasty tips and tricks, like and subscribe.